Hello guys, welcome to the FX library. We'll be looking at the Nasdaq and Dow Jones or Us30 high and low strategy, right? What's for this strategy, just have to identify your highs and lows. So that's a high area, right? That's also another high area. That was also another high area. We can also look at that's also another high area right there. And if we see this area right here is another low area, right? And what's important to understand about this strategy is that the US 100 or Nasdaq always respects its highs and lows. And so you can see that when it reached the came for a retest, it went down. When it came for a retest, it came down. When it came to retest that low, it also went up. But you cannot enter at those retests. You first have to wait for confirmation candlesticks. So here we did have that bearish engulfing, right? So you would have taken your entry right there, and you would have put your take profit target just right there, right? And of course, with patience, of course, right, that evening star, so you could have taken your entry right there, right? Taking your entry right there, looking at your take profit target as that area right there, right? And with here, we can see we did have a bearish engulfing, take your entry. Your stop loss is always above the end of your high area right there, right? Looking at your first take profit target right there. So with this one, you could have taken your entry right there, right? Looking at your take profit right there, your stop loss there, or you could have entered at this first bullish engulfing right here, right? If you entered at that, your take profit has been the same. You can see that the market did come back again for a retest within your stop loss area, but it did again shoot. And this is an example of that the market will not always go in your direction immediately. It will take its time, right? You just have to be patient and look out for that one as well. You can see also here we did have the same thing with that bearish engulfing, right? Let's remove one of those. But if you go again to look at Us30, where we can apply the same strategy, you can see that we did have a high right there, right? We did have a low right here. Again, we did have another high right there. We did have our low area right here, right? So that's our high, that's our low. We did have another high area right there, right? Or support and resistance, because high and low. Support and resistance and high and low, that's still the same thing, right? So with here you can see with that first bounce of the retest, you have entered, taking your sell entry at that retest right there, right? At that we did have our confirmation candle with that bullish and bearish engulfing, right? Looking at your first take profit target right there, right? Looking at that target right there, then the market did come again to retest, and then it did shoot down. It did shoot down, and then we also had this area right here as well, where the market did come again, gave you, and you can see this one, it gave you that evening star, right? It did give you that evening star right here. So this area right here, that's the evening star, right? And you can also see that with these 3 candlesticks, it gave you the 3 black crows, right? So with that one right there, you can see it gave you a stronger confirmation. So you could have entered your first entry with that, the confirmation of that evening star, and then scaled in right on your trade, or you've seen that evening crow right there. That 3 black crows, you can also scale in on the trades with that one. But again, with this one, we can see that we did have again a bullish engulfing right there. We did have a bullish engulfing, right? We did have a bullish engulfing right there. You have taken your trade and looking at your first take profit target is this area right here, and unless you wanted to bring it up again to that area. And with this one right there, we did also have a bearish engulfing, right? We did have a bearish engulfing right there. So that's gonna be, you have to look for the importance of the strategy to look at like the highs and lows, the confirmation candles. Don't just enter, say that the market is giving you retest is going to enter. Wait for the candlesticks, because you can also see with this one right here, candlestick formation with this row right here, the market did come for a retest and it did, so it would have taken you out if your stop loss was there, right? Just below that area, it would have taken you out. So you have to get that first confirmation candlesticks and then enter your trade. But also with this one, if you go to the 5-minute time frame, so now zoom to that one. So yes, with this one, if you go to that 5-minute time frame, you can see that this was a huge spike. So you would have to really be quick on the entry, but you really have to go to lower time frames to catch that movement, right? So, but yeah, that's gonna be it for the Nasdaq in US30 high and low strategy. Just practice and learn to observe and get better at them, and it will not fail. Peace.